Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $100 in just 1 month using an app called Pawns.app. If you're looking for an easy and passive way to make some extra cash, this is definitely the video for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start earning with Pawns.app, and trust me, it's simpler than you think. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We've got tons of content on making money online, side hustles, and much more coming your way. All right, let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is Pawns.app? Simply put, Pawns.app is an app that pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. This means that while you're going about your day, whether you're working, watching videos, or just chilling, the app is working in the background, earning you money passively. It might sound too good to be true, but it's legit. Businesses and researchers use this data for various tasks, and you get paid for providing it. Over the past month, I was able to pocket an easy $100 with almost no effort. Getting started is super easy. All you need to do is download Pawns.app. It's available on both Android and iOS. After installing it, you'll sign up with your basic details, and that's it. You're all set to start earning. Once you're signed in, the app will automatically start sharing your bandwidth. You don't need to do anything else. Just keep the app running in the background and watch as your earnings start to accumulate. It's really that simple. You can keep track of your earnings directly from the app's dashboard, and the numbers grow faster than you might think. Now, if you want to hit that $100 mark like I did, there are a few things you can do to maximize your earnings. First, make sure your device is always connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. The more data you share, the more you earn. Second, take full advantage of Pawns.app's referral program. For every person you refer, you'll earn a 10% commission on their withdrawals. This is where you can really start to see your earnings grow. Finally, don't forget about the extra features. Pawns.app offers paid surveys and a get paid to play feature. These are quick and fun ways to boost your earnings beyond just sharing bandwidth. All right, let's break down exactly how I made $100 in 1 month. I kept my device connected to Wi Fi as much as possible, participated in surveys whenever I had a few minutes, and referred a handful of friends to the app. The combination of these three strategies got me to $100 faster than I expected. On average, I was earning around $3 to $5 a day, which added up quickly over the month. And the best part? It was all passive income. I didn't have to go out of my way or spend hours working on it. And here's the proof: $100 straight into my PayPal account. It's always a great feeling to see those earnings hit your account, knowing you made money while you slept. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Pawns.app is easy to use, pays out reliably, and has a low withdrawal threshold of just $5. Plus, you have multiple ways to earn, from bandwidth sharing to surveys and games. On the downside, the earnings per gigabyte aren't very high, and there's a small 4% fee when withdrawing via PayPal. Also, if you're in a country with low demand for internet bandwidth, your earnings might be lower. But overall, Pawns.app is a solid way to make some extra cash without much effort. The pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially if you're looking for passive income. So, is Pawns.app worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for an easy and passive way to earn $100 or more, I highly recommend giving it a try. Just stay consistent, keep your device connected, and don't forget to refer friends to boost your earnings. And that's how I made $100 in a month using Pawns.app. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips on making money online. If you're ready to start earning, check out the link in the description to download Pawns.app and use my referral code for a bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!